Thing that will intrigue you. A 19-year-old from Nakuru County is developing a robot that he hopes will assist Kenyan military officers in countering terrorism in conflict-prone areas and reducing the impact of casualties on the front lines. David Lawrence Kamau has been working on the craft for 7 years now, using locally available resources, hoping the idea will become a reality and promote the country's ICT sector. NTV's Ruth Samwe visited his home and has this report.
We visit David Lawrence Kamau at his home in Mzewanyama area of Nakuru County and find him in his temporary workshop working on his prototype robotic project.
Meaning that we are making it very intelligent.
The sole purpose of the robot that resembles a dog, he says, is to help the military officers disarm and detonate explosives set by enemies while on the battlefield.
You know, a robot is a computer, and computers are very accurate. So the chance of mistakes are very minimal compared to a human being trying to deactivate that. So there's no, in the future, there's no need even to expose our soldiers to certain hazards. If a machine ikikuwa destroyed, it's very different from a person being killed. You know, a machine you can replace, but human life no. So this is something that will save a lot of lives.
I wonder what you were doing or could be doing at 14 years of age. But for David Lawrence, that's when he started making these robotic dogs, including this one that was made in 2021 using cloth hangers, before he advanced to the sixth one, which was made recently using metallic parts.
So hii ni robot ya sita. Nimekuwa nikiunda kila mwaka nikidevelop according to the errors I saw. Na pia nina advance to pole according to the resources that I have, because building a robot means you have to combine ICT, mechanics and electronics.
Hii mambo zake za kuwa creative alianza akiwa mdogo kabisa, hata toys zake akiwa mdogo hakuwa nazitupa. Hata in fact mimi nilikuwa nazitupa kama juu alikuwa naziweka pamoja. Sasa ameendelea hivyo akiwa primary, akaanza kuunda ndege ya mbao, aka-advance, akaanza ya machuma. Sasa akaendelea hivyo mpaka wakati tumefika saizi hivi, lakini tulikuwa tunaona tu kama ni mchezo. Tukaanza sasa kumpea support.
He says the raw materials required to make the prototype is hard to come by, forcing him to make do with whatever materials are available at home.
Despite the challenges, huwa mi niko na that self-belief that no man is limited. So hata kama nimeface financial challenge ya kupata specific gears, what do I do? Naenda natumia baiskeli. Kama niko na challenge ya kupata certain computers, so naweza tumia hata hii simu kadogo. In the skeleton.
Lack of funds has become a major challenge for this budding scientist, a mountain that is faced by many creative minds.
Even in Science Congress, tulikuwa a lot of ideas, but some of them hazifiki the target. Kwa sababu most are very good ideas zenye maybe zinaweza kuwa unaona maybe it's not something technical, but once you prove your idea tunaona ni kitu very much possible.
The first year student of Thika Technical Institute believes that the diploma in electrical and electronic engineering will enable him to realize his dream.
Because we learn about wires, we learn about electrical connections, so it's something that will do me real good. Welcome.
TV media company, welcome to our home in Pipeline.
And while on this journey, David has managed to modify a software program that will control and communicate with the robot, but the project, he says, is far from completion.
The software, I've downloaded it for now because I don't have a computer to actually do my ICT research, to actually be able to make one. But putting in mind that the robot is 3-in-1, ICT, electronics and mechanics, I've been able to perfect on mechanics and part of electronics. So the ICT is where I'm still working on it. So these countries, zimeanza kuunda like United States of America, Dubai, there's a certain building called the Museum of the Future. This museum has a lot of projects that are targeting the future. So this is the expected end result of the mechanical part.
He is calling on the government to accommodate and support young scientists of his kind and boost the country's technological developments. Ruth Samwe, NTV, Nakuru.